shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you, that now our dreams may finally come true. City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. There in the bar, and through the smoke screen of the crowded restaurants, it's love. Yes, all we're looking for, it's love from someone else. A rush, a glance, a touch, a dance, a look in somebody's eyes, to run up the skies, to open the world, and really a voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where we go. It's all that I need, this crazy feeling right out of my head. I think I wanted to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, you never shine.